In 1982, a crack, oversized transport was announced to the world by a dictatorship for a job they didn't originally want. This aircraft promptly escaped from a maximum security nation to a friendlier nation. Today, still wanted by the Russian government, they survive as soldiers of fortune. If you have a large cargo, if no one else can help you move it, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire the An-124 Ruslan. Welcome to a regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada's channel and to the histories of one 400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the Antonov Design Bureau An-124 that was finished just prior to the fall of European Communism. This aircraft is powered by four Progress D-18T series high bypass turbofan engines, with each engine able to generate up to 51,000 pounds force or 229 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry over 400 passengers, with the aircraft in a passenger layout or in a purely cargo mode can carry 330,000 pounds or 150,000 kilograms. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 467 knots or 865 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 2,000 nautical miles or 3,700 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this An-124 was delivered to the Antonov Design Bureau on December 12th of 1990. The initial livery was very similar to the Soviet-era Aeroflot, with a blue cheat line on the fuselage and a Soviet flag on the tail. The first registration was Charlie 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 Papa-82027. A year later, in December of 1991, was the fall of the Soviet Union. For the next couple of years, this aircraft maintained its original look. However, occasionally titles for British-based airfoil and cargo looks were added onto the sides of the fuselage as the aircraft began being rented to Western companies for outsized cargoes. Come late 1992, Antonov was able to re-register the aircraft to its native Ukraine as Uniform Romeo-82027. The aircraft's livery changed later in the decade of the 1990s to a two blue tone livery with the Design Bureau's name Antonov emblazoned on the tail. The aircraft continued being available for outsized cargoes around the world. Almost anything could be carried, from large industrial generators to America's Cup racing yachts. Operations continued abroad through the years, with a change to the livery adding Ukrainian colors to the aircraft in mid-2016. This aircraft and its siblings continue to this day, despite the issues in the 2020s between Russia and Ukraine, to serve customers with outsized loads into the present day of 2023. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft, released in 2005. Gemini Jets has also released the same aircraft in 1/400 scale in its current yellow and blue and white livery. ERPA Models has made a 1/500 scale model and in the aircraft's current livery. If you like what you see, hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.